This is YouTube's University's Automotive Locksmith course, lesson number 1, TR43 keyway, key blanks explained. Let's get to it. So the key blanks used for this leashy are right here. The TR47 leashy. Depending on the manufacturer, they can have a different name. Ilco X217, JMA TOYO-15, and then Stratic has a bunch of different numbers, and the dealer also has a bunch of numbers. But we're not going to go over those. TR47 is what I use, and I think that's pretty much what everyone uses. So I have it plugged in my app. So you can see a double-sided key. Depending on the year of the car, it can be 8 to 10 cuts. And 4 depths. They're primarily used on Toyotas. You can easily cut these on a duplicator or any key machine, really. Yeah, not much to discuss apart from that. It was just a short little video. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.